single arm dumbbell row. And this variation might be a little bit different than what you're used to because we're gonna execute it in a way that's gonna allow us to engage a little bit more length of the lat and a little more strength of the lat. So what I'm gonna have you do is get set up in the standard position that you would get into for a single arm dumbbell row. So we're gonna have one arm braced onto your bench or stack of plates, whatever you got at your disposal. The arm that we're gonna be using to produce the movement, I want that same side leg back behind us, up on the big toe and the fifth toe knuckles with a soft bend in the knee. This length here is gonna get some length through the lat and the back of the hip. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our dumbbell. And what I want you to do is allow it to come across the foot. So you can see when it comes across your front foot, where you have big stretch to the back of that shoulder. Once you get it as far as you can, I want you to pull at the shoulder, trying to drive the elbow straight up into the ceiling. Once you get to about hip height with your row, we're gonna then press through the standing or through the bracing hand and rotate your body up and away. So we're gonna be looking up at the ceiling, finishing our movement. We're gonna allow the body to come back down, facing towards the ground. Allow the elbow to straighten, arm to lengthen out back across the foot, and go again for rep 2. Drive the elbow up to the hip, rotate up and around, and reverse. This variation of the row is going to allow you to take that lat through its fullest range of motion, make sure that it fully lengthens before we ask it to contract, which is going to go in line with the normal biomechanics and physiology of how our muscles like to work.